There are a lot of concerns about privacy and security on smartphones these days. No matter which phone model you use, your private information might be at risk. For me, this is not just a bold statement. As a tech YouTuber, I've received quite a few emails that someone tried to log into my Google account, someone tried to hack my Instagram and Facebook profiles, and I even received phishing emails with fake PayPal invoices. These are just a few instances where my sensitive information was at risk. Since then, I always want to know if my data is safe, and I always look for ways to increase security on each device I use. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is one of the most complete smartphones you can buy at the moment, but is it secure enough so you can feel confident about your data? In this video, I will go through the main security features of this device and see if the Galaxy S10 series phone helps keeping your data and private information secure. First of all new Galaxies are protected with Knox, which always sounds like a marketing gimmick, but it's actually not. One of the reasons why Samsung designed Knox was because it wanted everyone to trust their phones, including enterprise, which usually has extremely high standards of security. The reason why I think Knox is really secure is built both on hardware and software levels during the manufacturing process. In other words, Knox is built into the processor itself, and software ensures real-time monitoring and protection. The Samsung Knox constantly verifies device integrity at each layer, ensuring corporate and personal data is always secure. For example, it checks any malware apps that may compromise the device or someone simply trying to hack your phone. One of the best examples to show how Knox works in real life, the Secure folder. It allows you to lock any app you want or hide files like pictures, videos, and so on. One of my favorite features, you can log in with separate accounts into each app. This is actually really useful if you want to separate your personal and work life or simply want to protect your privacy so no one can read your messages, posts, or emails. Let's say you want to buy a gift for someone and make a surprise. You can add a private reminder to your calendar or notes app, add the contact of the store that sells this gift, and take a picture of the gift with a secure camera app that will save the photo into the secure gallery app. This is a very plain example, but you get the idea. The Secure folder also allows you to choose either to show or block all notifications, caller IDs, and so on. Last but not least, you can lock the apps that can reveal the most sensitive data, for example, online banking apps. All in all, the Secure folder has become one of my favorite features of the Galaxy S10 Plus. I know that there are plenty of applications out there which can lock apps or hide your sensitive data, but I simply trust Samsung's Knox more because it's made by a trusted manufacturer and it works both on software and, most importantly, on hardware level. Now let's talk about biometric lock types. While the Galaxy S10e has a capacitive fingerprint sensor on the side of the device, both the S10 and the S10 Plus have an ultrasonic reader under the display. As I said in my full review, the scanner has become reliable and pretty fast after the latest software update. I've been using the Galaxy S10 Plus for about 1 month now, and I would say it works about 99% of the time. The reason why I sometimes don't even use the fingerprint reader is because facial recognition has been excellent all the time and it unlocks the phone really fast. Obviously, you also have your old school methods of unlocking the phone: PIN, pattern, and password. Honestly, I don't use these methods, but it's always great to have options. All in all, the Samsung Galaxy S10 series phones have many security features. While different screen lock types are on the most of the phones, real-time Knox protection and Secure folder make the Galaxy S10 one of the most secure, mainstream phones you can buy at the moment. Do you agree with me or not? Drop me a comment down below, and as always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching, and see you soon.